This is the question I'm asking. What is the right sowing window for Kharif paddy in Mandya? So it will answer from it answered like second fortnight May to mid June. You can start sowing paddy. And this information it fetched from Raita Mitra Crop Advisory Government's portal. Uh, because of this session re-ranking, this portal has come first. Uh, so this has got more weight when compared to the other crop related APIs. This is for second one is crop insurance. Third one is nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, NPK, soil nutrients, uh, soil test related API. Uh, because of this session re-ranking, this API had more weight and it was able to answer the query correctly.